Watch this code go from repeat work and noise to clean and efficient same result. Fewer passes. The secret is Python Walrus operator. In the next few minutes, I will refactor three snips and show exactly when to use it and when to avoid it. Walrus operator is an assignment expression. It lets you evaluate a value inside another expression, assign it to the name, and use that value immediately.
Wow.
Think, do the work, keep the value, and continue. Regular equals is a statement. Colon equals is an expression like if, while, and comprehension. Expressions plus assignments at the same time. We have three snips here. This is the code when we do not use the Wallace operator, and this is the code when we use the Wallace operator. We search once per line, store the match as M, and reuse m.group. No duplicate search, no extra variable dance. This signs when you filter depends on something you will use again. We can see exactly here in this code how many lines we have to use it. So first we have to do the search and store the search into the m variable, and then we have to check the conditions. If m satisfy the conditions, then go ahead. But we can skip all these lines with just one single line using the list comprehensions here and the walrus operator here. Benefits: 1. Fewer chances to drift if you tweak the regular expression later. Benefits: 2. Often less work. Most importantly, this is the capture and check pattern. Compute once, make the decision, and reuse name inside the block. You skip a second, check length, and keep the logic tight. This is what we don't use the Wallace operator, and this is what we use the Wallace operator. Now move to the pattern 3, iterate matches without extra branches. So here we have a while true loop, and then we have a search expressions here, and evaluating the search to the m variable, and then next we are making a condition on this m variable. But when we use the Walrus operator, we can eliminate all these with while m and this Wallace operator and do the magic. The while condition both performs the search and keeps the match. We drop the break branch and the duplicate call. Just loop while there is a match, cleaner and less error prone. Three important notes: parentheses are required in many contexts. If n and checking the length of the codes. You assign to names only, not the object property. Use it where it reduces repetitions or clarifies intent. If it starts to feel cryptic, use two lines. Readability wins. This is the final code with all three patterns, first, second, and third. And we can see the output of this program here. So pass the status codes and print the number. You have seen the walrus operator fix repetition in regex, condition, and loops, and where to avoid it. I have put the code below. Try refactoring one of your scripts with Walrus tonight. Comment: do Walrus in pandas, put output operations, 5 web scraping. I will pick the top 2 for follow-ups. If this clarified the concept, a like help more devs find it.